What is up, guys? It's Pumpkin VR here, and yes, it is very unusual for me to post 2 videos in one day. I haven't done it in a while, but if you haven't seen my last video, make sure to go watch it. It's the lab update, and today, and now for this video we have a different guest, which his name is Skittles 4776, and today we'll be playing Wind Up. I kind of already have a warm-up and I've already beat it twice, first try. What? Who is that? Who is here? I will kill you. Oh, I'm just kidding. Who is that? Yo, who is that? Canada lead!
It's your birthday! It's your idiot birthday! Happy birthday! I give you
not my
$25. Okay, then I not give you butt coins.
Alright, are you gonna join us in the video? I've already started recording.
What the code?
The code is GIHG.
What?
GIHG. And we're playing
what?
Wind Up.
What?
I don't think he got the code. Alright, as you can see, I already started playing it. Wind Up. Let's Sigma go. I'm just gonna... Who's John Lattices? What is up, Skibbity Slicers? And today we are going to be beating up Queso. Let's go. I'm just kidding.
What?
Don't worry about it. Alright,
What's your channel called?
Pumpkin VR. Let's go. We got this. Ah! Of course, when I start recording, that's when I start dying. But I am really good.
I play this every day.
Oh wait, Canada's asking me for the code. I forgot the code. That time I purposely died, so then I can get the code. Canada.
Bro?
Yeah, I'm still here. The code is GIHG. Alright, he's got the code. He might be joining soon. Do not riz me. I'm really good at this. Happy. Ain't no way. Ain't no Sigma way. There ain't no way like a Sigma way. No, I just lagged.
It won't let me leave the car.
Dude, I just lagged. I fell.
And it won't let me do anything. It won't let me leave. I did call you, and then I tried to leave the car, but it won't let me. It won't let me leave anything.
Dang. No lagging. No lagging. Let's go.
Guess what? Everybody, we got gorilla tag before gorilla tag.
What? Did you just say who got gorilla tag before gorilla tag? that was mine! That was my hard-earned cotton. Ain't no way. If I get it, bruh. If I beat this on this try,
Everybody, look down there. There's a
you
trampoline.
guys need to subscribe.
It's a hold-on trampoline owned by the map.
You know what? Maybe not that time.
How much?
If I beat it on this try. Ow.
I'm gonna buy you fancy.
Now the vibrations are broken. And the controller.
You guys know how much is you fancy, so I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy you fancy. You know how much it is?
Yeah, dude, it's $5 billion and you have to send it to my Cash App.
Okay.
No. Imagine I actually gave him my Cash App and 5 seconds later, $5 billion is in my account.
Bro, my headset's about to die. Please don't kill me. I'll give you $10.
$10?
I will not live for your soul if you don't give me a tip. About to die.
Dude,
My headset's about to die.
I keep lagging.
Need to find more new people.
You guys better not leave me here, bro.
Can I leave back? Well, my headset is about to die.
Am I really the only one with a fully charged
Everybody,
headset?
What country are you guys gonna be? I'm gonna be the real Gorilla Tag Empire. I'm gonna be the Gorilla Empire. Oh, hey everybody, what would happen if Gorilla Tag got mad and wanted to regain the
Ain't no way.
the Gorilla Empire?
Excuse me, what are you talking about?
Yo, no, the fort that would try to invade Yeepland, but they'll be too strong. So they'll ask other countries for help destroying them as fast as they can.
I don't know what you're talking about.
The Gorilla Tag Empire.
Is that a movie? Like a YouTube movie?
No.
But then what are you talking about?
I'm sorry I'm being quiet, dude. I just need to concentrate.
I cannot get this heater for the love
Please, I'll give you
And I just beat it,
$10.
guys. I just beat it.
Can you
Look, I
please
got
not
the
eat
paint.
it?
I got the winner's paint.
Whoa, why would you eat it? Why would you eat it?
I got the winner's paint. Look.
Did you eat it or eat it? You said eat it.
My headset's
No. Here, I'm gonna add you on Meta. Around.
Do you have an @ so like if I search up pumpkin VR, it's not gonna be like other pumpkin
I
VRs?
have no idea. Just in my bio, it says, no, it's there. Just, I'm not gonna say it because I don't know if I'll get monetized or like get my lab lot taken away. I'm not gonna risk.
I signed up for a content creator.
Yeah, I have content creator, just that I can never do all of my challenges
I can't sign up yet.
because I've always.
Right, what are some of the challenges?
I don't really know. Just some of them are like pretty hard for me. I could never come up with video ideas that would involve that.
I'm almost at the end.
I'm gonna beat it a second time.
Yes, blue teleportal. Yes, I'm at the end. Reynolds paint. You won. I got the Reynolds paint.
I got it in.
We both
I got-
made it in.
No.
I had to die.
Okay.
Bro, saluting me. Oh my god. Please.
Give me that Windows paint back. Get
Bro died. No. How did they do that? I'm about to beat it a second time.
that one day of
If I beat it this time,
guys.
you have to like and subscribe.
Everybody get
And comment down your community world, because I might do it.
Everybody,
I might
what's
play your
that
community
one
world
day
during the
of
intro of my video.
overtaken it? I'm acting.
So
I'm
your
actually
community world could get shouted out and played by me
Everybody, join the coach South Korea.
in
If you want to free K
in one of my videos.
Tell
So.
me your address, and I'll give you free K for the rest of
I
your
have no
life.
idea what he's talking about.
But you need to pay $10 for 1 month. Month $50 use forever. $50
And you guys need to like and subscribe and comment down your community world.
1
So
billion quadrils. And if you like gorillas, and if you have to pay gorilla pack money.
where are you?
Money. I mean Bitcoin. I'm at the Golden Fitz.
All right, wait there for me. We're about to beat it together.
I'm sorry. I'm at the.
All right, just
trampoline
wait.
park.
Bro, my lag and my controller. Are you guys seeing what my controller is doing to me? Yo, come on. Dude. Bro's headset, no. Alright, well, that is the end of today's video. Now please like and subscribe, comment down your community world so it might be played by me and in a video and it could get shouted out. So yeah, rate my fit down in the comments. Here, I'll show you guys. Because you guys know every single time I get the new bundle, I have to switch up my outfit. And I have to wear at least one thing from that bundle. Besides the last outfit. Because last outfit was when I first got Lab Rat. And I don't know, it didn't really match. But this one it does. So I have this hat. I have the clown. And let me just get my hat back. And I have not the sweatshirt, but like this coat. And I have the pants of the new bundle. As you guys can see, pants of the new bundle. And I have the light bulb arm things from the Christmas update. It was kind of like a bundle, kind of, but yeah. And I have the snows, these goggle thingies, and I have the money bag on my back, and then as always the watch. Yeah, write my fit down in the comments. And the legs are from where are the legs are from this snow bundle. Yeah, that is way too wacky. But yeah, rate my fit down in the comments, and yeah, like and subscribe, and peace out. Oh, I want to kill me. I want to die. Wow. Alright. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and yeah, peace out. Bye.